Okay, so we got some good rain last night. We're gonna direct seed some stuff with this Earthaway garden seeder. This thing works really well.
Now it is.
They have these Denver carrots. Never used them. I'm using a lettuce plate, which is maybe a little wide, but just dump the seeds in there. Probably more than enough. What I do is I go down the outside rows, then back, and maybe 2 rows down the center. That should give us a lot of carrots. Up, go down the center. Up. Now just go down the grooves. The hardest part is getting seeds back in a bag. Bingo. Second. For these plates, you push them forward. It comes off. Make sure there's no seeds in there. This is really beets and Swiss chard. What's this one? Corn. I'm going to use the corn for the beans spacing. It doesn't want to fit. So it just lays in there, and then you just lock it in. You just pull it backwards so that these knobs are not in line with the slots. And we're going to do drop the beans in. I always put way more than I'm going to need. Changed my mind. Hi, bud.
They bounce.
Maybe in there, I don't know. It may have been buried. What else are we doing? Is that it? I don't have those other beans.
What's that?
Radishes.
We have the green beans. Where's the little packet of green beans?
Where's the little packet of Salanova lettuce from Johnny's? So this Salanova lettuce, I buy the pelleted lettuce seed, which is more expensive, but I don't really direct seed with the earthway spreader. I use it to dig my center line. Then I drop them about 12 to 14 inches apart by hand. just, to me, the cedar drops it too close together, I think. This variety is Selenova red butter. There's green butter. There's all kinds of them. This one here is red butter. So I'm gonna have a row of red lettuce down the sides of these wildflower mix on the two sides, which is a leaf lettuce. So this whole lettuce, what I just planted, probably enough. We'll get 4 or 5 cuttings off of it. I'll have more lettuce and I know what to do with in about a month or less. And I'm just gonna take this rake and rake. Okay. There you go. I'll just blow this away later when it dries out. Bugsies, what are you doing? Hi, Bugs. You chilling in the garden?
I'm cleaning the garden.
You're cleaning it?
She's queen.
Huh?
She's queen of the garden.
She is, Queen. And the garden's starting to come together now. I need a few more bags of mulch. I gotta put some plastic down over there, or that's gonna be a jungle. I feel like we need to be making more rows now. Plant more stuff. But this is really a lot to take care of for two of us. I thought about doing this as a full-time job, but I'm just reluctant to pull the trigger on it. Still waiting for our wildflower seeds. What'd you get? What kind of seeds you get, babe?
Oh, I got for flowers?
Yeah.
I got delphinium. I got some bachelor buttons. I got some verbena. I got zinnias and larkspur, I think. And I can't remember. There's two more. Coneflower. Did I say coneflower? Coneflower. Bachelor buttons. Zinnias. Delphinium. Verbena. And like a larkspur.
Okay. I got this piece of poly down here. We have a nice walkway all the way around the garden. I use cypress mulch. It's a little more weather resistant. It tends to last longer. We always get a bunch of weeds at the ends of these rows. So I'll pick up another 10 bags. I think I want to do mulch all the way around. This stuff heavy in through here, heavy on the back side. Got this dogwood here. I gotta lift this side of the fence up. It's real droopy down on this edge. And I gotta go around the whole thing with this critter guard. This stuff right here is metal. This stuff is plastic. This is metal. This is the rabbit guard. I know I got a big hole in that corner over there because I blow the leaves out of there. But this dogwood here, I think I need to reprune it. It was dying last summer because I had this tarp. But I'm gonna get the pole saw out. Some of the branches are dead. I'm gonna try and rejuvenate this dogwood. I can't imagine it's ready to die, although it's probably 30 years old. But